So ayan, dahil Tuesday na naman, magkati tayo ng maaga-agang balita tungkol sa ating kalsadahan. So yung boat day natin is so very perfect. So mayroong mag-shota doon, magkakabiyata yun, no? So ayan guys, yung boat lane papuntang Bulacan and papuntang Monumento, it so very perfection, no? Dahil inabangan natin yung bagyo kahapon pero hindi naman dumating. So asan siya lumihis, ang init, buong magdamag, no? Hindi ako nakatulog na maayos. Kaya yung live streaming ko is tulog ang beauty cake, no? Ayan. Pero thank you so much sa mga dumalo sa aking live streaming last night. And thank you for the effort, no? Kahit wala tayong ka-effort pero okay lang yan guys, no? Meron tayong viewers na 17K. Oh my god, thank you so much. And thank you dahil ano talaga inaantabayanan talaga nila yung live streaming ko there, no? And of course I believe naman na naintindihan nila ako, no? George, yes. So sobrang init talaga kagabi guys, hindi ako masyado nakakatulog, nakakaidip-idip lang ako, pero yung isipan ko is wala talaga, no? Dahil inaano ko yung init, kasi pag nainitan ako makati yung aking katawan, no? Nangangati or parang lang siya, no? Cheers! So ayan, baka may mga lakad kayo guys o may mga pasok kayo sa opisina nyo, maglakbay-lakbay na kayo habang maaga pa, no? Dahil wala pang traffic talaga. So naghahanap din tayo ng ayan, may natutulog po dyan. May mga basura ners. Ayan. So perfect guys, na maluwag, no? Sana lang talaga hindi na to sumisikip araw-araw, no? Kasi minsan paghapon na napauwi ako sobrang traffic, parang hindi na gumagalaw yung mga sasakyan sa sobrang traffic. So of course magpakita muna tayo sa ating video. So ayan, good morning Philippines. Of course this is me again, I'm your beauty. So ayan, baka matapos na natin tong ayan, perfect yung weather natin ngayon. So sana hindi siya masyado mainit mamaya, kasi you know hindi kami pwede, wala kasi aircon yung aming office, no? Curious office yan, office courtyard. So ayan, again guys, I would like to thank you, and if you're not my friend here, please do subscribe first and leave your comment down. Of course I need you to comment now. So my God, Philippines, thank you so much, I love you all. So medyo may traffic doon, nakaguluhan doon sa unahan, no? Traffic ng person. So that's it for now guys, and bye bye, goodbye, and thank you. See you again later guys. My live streaming, of course this one is I'm going to make it premiere by Wednesday, so I hope you can like it first, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave your comment down below. Bye bye, love you all guys, happy Tuesday.